Hi, today I'm in front of me Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and then in the search pool we should enter the the green apple keyboard. Green apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and then near green apple keyboard tap once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then just go back, click switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green apple keyboard. The process is finished, so let's use the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.